In front of me is HONOR X7c, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then tap on this plus at the bottom left corner and hit Files over here to add an audio one. Now to find it, you can tap on Audio at the top, choose one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. After finding your file, click on it to attach it. If you want to add a video one, select Gallery section by clicking on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Tap on your video here. Or if you can't find it, select Folders, look for it here, and then click on it to add it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!